And you guys wonder why I say stay back, I'm allergic to stupid. Trust me, you want to stay through the rest of this video. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome back once again to the channel. You know it is JJ with you once again. Okay, guys, let's just get to the bare facts while you're here watching this video. Nvidia just dropped the driver 595.71, and if you've been following the chaos, which I hope you have, you've already know that this is going to matter to you. The previous release 595.59 was pulled so fast after the reports of fan control failure, missing sensors, and unpredictable behavior across the 30, 40, and 50 series cards. I mean, I didn't even get a chance to download it. That's how fast it went. So now we've got 595.71, the so-called repair build, but is it actually fixed? That's the question we're going to find out soon enough. I've already installed it. This is not a theory. We're going straight into Cyberpunk 2077 to see what this driver really does. I'm running the same test pass I've always been using when I was doing the DLSS, videos. I'm using the same thing. Same hardware. Nothing's changed. The 4070, the 9700X, B850 motherboard, 6000 CL30 RAM, nothing's changed. If there's any changes in the frame time, fan behavior, or sensor reporting, we'll catch it. It'll be like real time. We'll catch it at real time. But now, guys, understand this. I don't have the Resident Evil Rec Room yet. And, I have to work on, paying the house bills and everything else before I decide to get a game. So, but I will get it soon enough. That's been showcased for the DLSS 4. Nvidia is pushing with this release. But Cyberpunk is still one of the best stress tests for driver stability and performance. If 595.71 holds up here, and by the way, Mr. Machine's on the phone. Say hi, Mr. Machine.
Hello.
Like I said, if 595.71 holds up here, it'll be a good sign. If it doesn't, we'll know exactly where it breaks. It'll be on Cyberpunk. So far, the fans are spinning, as I can see. No driver reloads. But I'm not calling it fixed until we finish doing a full pass and see if there's anything glitching, stuttering, or misbehaving. We'll definitely catch it. I'll show you what's going to exactly happen. This video is about real-world testing, not patch notes, not marketing, not BS, not holding up your grandma just because she fell down. Well, I hope she doesn't, God bless her if she did. But if 595.71 is solid, which we hope it is, I'll say it. But if not, you guys know me. I'll tell you about it. If it's broken or it's good, I'm going to tell you. So either way you look at it, I'm going to tell you. So let's get into the benchmarking of Cyberpunk and go to the action screen and see what's cooking. Okay, we're back into the video once again. As you can see, we're at 1440p, nothing's changed. We'll go to the graphics. Transformer model. I have put it on balanced. So we're going to try it on balanced. Well, actually, no. We should try it on ultra performance. I did say that. We'll put it back on ultra performance. We don't have these on. And apply that. So we're just doing high settings. And applying that. We do high settings, high settings. I do not know why this changed like this, but we're putting it back to when I was testing those settings. So it's back on those settings. It's all high settings, as you guys can see. Nothing's changed. We're keeping it all real. Okay, let's go ahead and run the benchmark. You know what? No. Let's do this. Let's quit the game just to make sure and start it up again just to be sure. Just do a whole refresh since we made all those changes. That makes more sense so we know we're fresh. Isn't that right, Mr. Machine? I just want everybody to understand, if you're going to do it, if you're going to test it, do it the right way. I mean, it makes more sense than to do it the wrong way. And you get no results doing it the wrong way. So,
Or negative results.
yeah, you get very negative results. So we got 2560 by 1440p. Let's see, ultra performance on high settings. Crowd density's high. High. And yes, anotropy is on 1. I don't like it up high. No. That's the same settings. Oop, sorry. Got a scratch. That's the same settings that I used when I was running the test for DLSS on the presets. So, and if you're wondering what preset I'm on preset K. So you can go back and look at that video on preset K. And we're going to confirm it. Don't worry, we'll get the overlay coming. Oh, wow, man. Dude, that one game that's in the back, it cleared it up a lot. At preset K, I was running about 143. Let's see. See, because let's say that's A, B, C, D, E, F, J, K. Okay. Here's a little trick or treat for you guys. We're looking at 216. Let me get the overlay out of the way. We're looking at 216. I don't know if this is right or wrong. Let me take you guys back to the main screen. Okay, now we're on the main screen. I'm going to show you what's on my phone. Oh, that light's kind of killing it a little bit. Oh, ain't got steady hands neither. So, looking at this, it says I don't know. I mean, looking on preset K when I did the testing there was 139.07. Now here it's showing 216.86. Same settings on preset K. Something ain't making sense here.
So what's it saying?
I'm getting 216 FPS on preset K, but when I did the test before, I was only getting 139.07 because I put it on our text. That's why I'm exiting out of the game. There's a reason I'm exiting. I am going to go back into the Nvidia app. I'm going to go into the graphics. I'm going to go into the global settings. And I'm going to have a peek. I knew something was wrong. It seems when I did the driver update, okay, I'm still recording, so I hope you guys know this. Let's see. Let's go back to the action screen really quick and show you what I've done. Okay, so now we got preset K. For some reason, it was set on use 3D app settings. So I guess doing the driver update reset all my settings. And that's exactly what it did. So now I got to go back through and reset everything. You know. Oh my God, man. Okay. Now that everything's reset again. Oh. Let's go back into Cyberpunk. There is no cut and paste with this. I told you guys, you see it as I film it. So if there's a mistake, we're going to find it. And that was a big boo-boo. So now we got to run the test again. With everything correctly set up the way it was set on the preset test I did earlier. So we're doing it all over again. This is going to be kind of a little longer video. You know, that machine just a little bit longer. So we're at 1440p. Graphics settings haven't changed. Well, why the hell does it keep changing that? I'm not... You guys are seeing this, right? I mean, the machine can't see it just yet, but when he watches the video, he will see it. For some reason, there's something wrong here. I had this set on ultra performance, okay, and I didn't have DLSS ray reconstruction on. Turned off ray tracing. Okay, no, those were on. That was set at 1. High. Ultra, set it high. High. Apply. Okay. So now I've set all that. Let me escape out of the game. Let me quit the game. Give it a fresh restart. Now let me go over here to NVIDIA settings and make sure it's on preset K, high performance, maximum performance. Want to make sure nothing's changed. Now I can go back into this again. I must be losing my mind somewhere. We're going back into it again. I just want you guys to see what I'm seeing. Because I've never seen nothing like this act up like this. This is crazy. Don't forget your drink and snacks, by the way. I got mine. Okay. Last time. Go to settings. Go to video. Looks good. Go to graphics. Okay, nothing's changed. Let me make sure. It says 1, high. Okay. Nothing's changed. Good. Now we're back on the right track. So let's run the benchmark and confirm. Oh, man. Seems like a chore just to get a benchmark, you know? All right. Let's look around and see if there's anything different. We're on preset K. No. Actually, that game machine, their machine, looks like it's not glitchy now. So far, so good. So far, so good. I'm looking. Come on, give it the love at preset K. And the trees just slightly, you can barely see it. So, looking at this, and looking at this says 139.07, and this says 204.67. You know, same settings. Same settings. So now, let's go back to the desktop and let's finalize this deal. So, hold on to your hats. We're about to change atmosphere. Okay, we're back on the main screen, guys. I'm going to tell you something. I'm shocked. Seriously, I am shocked. We'll have a look at it once again, but I'm still shocked. It worked out really well. I would imagine the other presets might work well. You just got to go through them to see which one works best for you. I could see some good... I'm staying with preset K. I like it. It doesn't look bad. Doesn't hesitate. Doesn't stutter. Might got a little shimmer, just very slightly. I wouldn't even notice it if I'm playing the game. So that's how you wouldn't really notice it. But I'm going to go ahead and call it the end of the video there, Mr. Machine. You know, because there's always Wednesday at 6 p.m. them getting on the live chat, and we'll do a follow-up with this, and y'all can give your point of view. What do you think? Sound good?
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Gotta do a little more research.
Yep. So definitely got to do another research on the live update. So we'll do it on Wednesday at 6 p.m. And we'll check on this driver update with Nvidia to see if it's holding true when I'm running the live stream. So, but anyway, guys, if you want to say bye to everybody there, Mr. Machine.
See y'all later. Thanks for watching. See y'all Wednesday.
There you go. There you have it. And I'm going to tell y'all, if you're watching the video for the first time or the second time or the third time and you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Keep me motivated. But until the next time and the next video, you know what it is. Remember what the shirt says. Stay back. I'm allergic to stupid. Remember that. And we'll see you on the next one. The live stream, 6 p.m. Wednesday. See you then.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.